Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how we can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. You can also go into settings, scroll down, choose display and scroll all the way down. Now tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen feature. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled. If you wish to disable it, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!